All right, hi, my name is Andrea Leach, and I'm going to be talking to you about Google Earth. Google Earth is an interactive virtual globe, and today I'm going to be showing you some of its features, how to use them, and also what you can do with it in a classroom setting. The very first thing that you need to know about Google Earth is how to navigate with the navigation controls. They're located in the upper right-hand corner of the viewing screen. They include the zoom slider, the move joystick, and the look joystick. The zoom slider allows you to zoom in and out of places and landmarks by dragging the slider towards the plus or minus. And also you can just double click anywhere on the screen in order to zoom into that location on the map. If you zoom in very close, the angle will tilt to look like this. The move joystick allows you to move around the map in all directions to explore other locations in the area. You can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard to do this instead of using the move joystick. The look joystick changes your perspective of the map. You can tilt the viewing angle by clicking the up and down arrows. You can also change the direction of north by dragging the small N around the ring. If you want to return to a north-up view, simply click the N key on your keyboard. Now that you know how to use the navigation controls, let's dive into what you can actually do with Google Earth. You can zoom in on locations, find businesses, or search for directions, and all of that can be done in the search panel on the left side of the screen. In the Fly To tab, all the way on the left, you can type in any country, state, city, or zip code, and Google Earth will zoom in directly to that location. You can also type in a landmark to zoom in there. Here I've typed in Eastern Michigan University, and you can see our lovely campus. The next tab is called Find Businesses. Here you can search for a type of business, such as an ice cream shop, or you can type in the name of the business, such as Cold Stone Creamery. You can either choose to search in the current view area or type in any other location to search near that area. Once you click search, the top 10 results are displayed. Clicking any of them will open a bubble with more information, such as the phone number, the address, and even the web page. If you click on the web page, it will open it in your web browser. Also in this information bubble, there are links to directions to here and from here for that location. If you click to here, it will put that business's location in the destination on the directions tab, and you just type in your starting location to get directions. You can also access directions at any time by just clicking on the directions tab. Google Earth will zoom into the suggested route and give you detailed driving directions. The circled button will also give you a tour of the route as if you're actually driving it. All of your recent searches are automatically saved in the search pane, and you can revisit them later just by clicking on them. If you'd like to clear your recent searches, you can use the small X there that's on the bottom of the recent searches pane. The My Places box allows you to save locations or routes in order to view them later. You can add locations by dragging them from your recent searches to the My Places area, and you can also create folders to keep them more organized. You can also customize any of your saved places by right-clicking on them and editing their place marks. You can change the name, icon, and description of the saved place, and you can also add a new place mark at any time by just clicking on the button in the toolbar. The toolbar also has many other neat features. One of these is called the ruler button. By clicking on this, you can measure the direct line distance from one place to any other place on the map, and you can see it in miles, kilometers, etc. Another button in the toolbar allows you to create a free-form path that you draw by holding down the left mouse button and dragging it around the map. The measurement tab shows you the total length of the drawn path. The last feature I'll show you is the Draw Polygon button. This tool allows you to create a polygon on the map of any shape and size. You can, again, use the measurement tab to calculate perimeter and area, and you can even change the color and appearance as well with the Style and Color tab. Of course, there are many applications of this program in the classroom setting. Obviously, there are endless uses for the field of geography, but Google Earth can also be used to supplement your social studies lessons, such as growth of cities, location of historic events, and even the paths of explorers. In the field of science, if you have a volcano or earthquakes lesson, you can use the features that are provided in the Earth Gallery of Google Earth. And math lessons can use the ruler and the draw paths and polygon buttons for authentic math lessons on perimeter and area. Basically, Google Earth is a great tool for both your everyday life as well as use in the classroom. You can go to earth.google.com to download it, and it's absolutely free. Thank you.